Bro, as soon as I start filming. Well, what is up, guys? In today's video, I don't really know what we're going to do because I'm bored. I just wanted to film a video and give y'all an update. I did just post destroying a vacuum cleaner video about, I want to say like a minute ago, maybe 20 minutes ago. I don't know. It matters how long it takes to like upload this. So, I'm just looking out in the yard and there's Abyssal Power Force Helix out in the yard destroyed. Because, well, not destroyed. Well, because I decided to suck up rocks and stuff. What? Y'all don't do that? Wow. Okay. Well, since y'all don't do that today, we're going to today we are going to be sucking up rocks. I stepped on a freaking rock. I gotta put this back together barefoot, so. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be selling this vacuum cleaner. So, I kind of want to destroy it. But this is my first vacuum cleaner. I'm going to donate it back to Goodwill. So, I need to clean it. I need to refurbish it. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see. First things first. It does work, but it has been running and it has been sucking a lot of rocks. I mean, it is hot. It's burning right now, so. I kind of want to clean it up because I'm going to donate it to Goodwill in like a week. But I can't do that yet. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure the suction is good in just a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to do with it because I'm going to sell it to Goodwill. Like, I'm going to give it back to Goodwill. And yeah. Or also on eBay. But I gotta clean it up first. But I can't do that yet. Freaking bee. Yeah, this thing is hot. Like, I mean, I'm gonna clean it up, of course. Nope. This is an hour video. I decided to clean up my arbor's helix. I'm just joking. But yeah, it is because after having my first vacuum cleaner for a month, I decided to sell it. Yep, I'm selling it. Unfortunately, I got to. I mean, at some point, people got to give up. So I'm giving up my vacuum cleaner, and woo, this thing is hot. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to rinse this thing out. Nope, we're going to go that way. You know what? Yeah, I'm flushing out everything in it. Ew! That's nasty. I gotta flush this thing out. Now it's up to the max. We're gonna turn it down now. Okay, now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna lay it out, let it dry. Now I'm going to do the same with the attachments because I literally just sucked up with 10 rocks. And this thing has been through living HELL. Yeah, this is nasty, but I'm turning this thing up to the max, honey. No! Don't you dare get in my camera! Oh my gosh. Bro! This is not really good waterproof camera, guys. This is a freaking iPad. So I'm making sure that I flush this thing out. Check in there. Yep, it's nice and clean. Okay. Out into the yard you go. Yay. Now. Oh yes, you. The crevice tool needs washing. Get out of here. Freaking spider webs everywhere. You seem flush to me. Out into the yard you go. Freaking. Okay. Okay, guys, we're going to see how bad the filter is after washing it 2 months ago. Yeah, woohoo! So nasty, okay. But I mean, at least it's in better condition than the other one was. Never mind. It is in better condition, I would say, because first of all, this one is stretched out, and I gotta beat the other one. Okay, let's go ahead and let's of course do the unthinkable. Wash it. Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! I'm just gonna turn this down. You know what? I need a bucket with warm water. Washing back in here. Oh. Yes.
I'm waiting on your daddy to text me.
Yes, I'm going ahead and I'm washing it. I'm going ahead and washing it because it's... No, I'm not done. I need you.
You just washed it when I got it from you, Dylan.
Yeah, didn't you say you want me to sell it?
No, I didn't say I wanted you to sell it, and you can't sell it. Nobody's going to buy a vacuum cleaner like that, Dylan. That's why somebody donated it to Goodwill. Nobody's going to buy an old vacuum
So
cleaner.
you saying that you want me to keep it?
No, I'm just saying. Go to Walmart and buy a cheap vacuum cleaner. Nobody's going to buy an old used vacuum cleaner.
So you're saying you're going to buy a new vacuum?
No, I'm not. I bought you that one.
For how much? 15? Exactly. So I'm going to go to Walmart and buy a cheap vacuum. I'm going to buy a $57 vacuum cleaner for out here because I don't want to use that one.
All I have to do is take the blower and blow this thing off. You don't have to vacuum it. No,
You actually have to. So here's something. I'm going to buy, listen, I'm going to buy a $57 vacuum cleaner at Walmart. What? Yes, I will.
You're not buying a vacuum cleaner to use outside, though. That makes no sense. None.
So you're saying I'm going to use this one? I literally sucked up rocks.
We don't need a vacuum cleaner outside. Now put all this back together because I'm waiting on your daddy.
I need a bucket with warm
Don't
water.
you want to go take Gigi and Bebop their vacuum?
I need a bucket with
Why? So wash what?
Good. Washing
You got about 10 minutes to be done.
Okay, I will. You're wasting my time. Oh, and the brush. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna keep on rinsing off this. Oh, let's see how nasty it is whenever I squeeze it. Ugh, that's so nasty, guys. Ew. I'm filtering this out to see how dirty this is. Yeah, it's not that dirty. Take this. Okay. I think we're good now. We just need to get off this top stuff. Oh my gosh, I hate this stuff. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna leave the fuzz on the top because whatever that person had the last time is crazy. No, because literally, I'm not joking. I cleaned this a month ago. I am pretty sure that I spend 10 minutes doing this. We'll see how dirty this filter is. Man, not that bad, actually. I was doing this.
I thought you said a bucket of soapy water.
No, I said warm water.
Well, I'll check.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Just make sure anything
It's
you
gonna
wash in
take-
here, you rinse off with water. Here. I'm gonna go put the vacuum cleaner in the car, okay?
Okay. Okay, guys, I am cleaning this, and it looks like it's clear. This is already clean, guys. There's no way. All right, we're gonna rinse this off now. Rinse it really good with water. Okay, guys, just like the last video that I did about cleaning this vacuum cleaner, like usual, of course we gotta of course we gotta use the bin. Duh. What do you think I was going to do? Okay. I don't know why I'm honestly like doing this right now. Excuse me. Yeah, I just literally threw the whole entire thing. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Sorry, filter. I literally just like yeeted the filter. Like, I'm not joking, guys. I literally yeeted the filter. I'll show you in just a little bit what I did. I have 10 minutes to do this. So far, it's going quicker than usual. What did I clean last time? I cleaned every single filter. Probably because it's a lot easier now, so. Guys, y'all will not believe how dirty this water is. Alright, now time to clean it out with water, guys. So guys, you're probably wondering, why is it taking faster than usual? Well, the reason is, okay guys, literally, how shiny this is. Okay. I'm trying to be really careful and trying. I'm going to wash this little mini filter now.
Well, we're gonna be leaving in a few minutes, so finish up.
Okay. Okay. Now this one's gonna dry.
We're doing
Shit. Okay. Placing that one down now. There's another filter. Okay. I literally just completely yeeted the other filter, but it's time to wash out the bin. Like the actual bin. Like look at this. And look at this. Is there a difference? You dirtiness. Okay. You can barely see the other one there. And I think this is crazy. Let's see how dirty his water is. Okay.
Alright, finish up.
I know, I am. This is like a faster than
You wanna take something to eat on the way? You didn't ever ate lunch.
Yeah, I know.
What do you want?
I don't know. Now it's time for scrubbing.
It's clean, Madeline. You don't need to scrub it.
I promise you, it's actually not clean. You might say that it is. You might think that it is, but I promise you, I scrubbed the other one
Okay,
and it
well,
was
Daddy's leaving y'all's house in 10 minutes.
okay.
So, what do you want to take to eat?
I don't know. You're asking me what I want to eat, and I don't know.
Are you hungry?
Yes, little.
You want peanut butter and jelly?
Yeah, just pack me in a Costco.
What do you want with it?
Some Cheetos and some pretzels.
I don't have any Cheetos, but Cheez-Its and pretzels.
Cheez it to me.
Alright, finish up.
I am. Okay, guys, I think enough. I really pretend he was cleaning while I was vacuum cleaners. Would you choose me or someone else? Because, literally, look at this. I'm sorry. But this is clear. Now I gotta let these dry, so I'm going to set them down on the ground and let them dry. Oh my gosh, dry. Okay, I'm gonna set those down on the ground to dry. Now it's time for the cyclone. My favorite part is the cyclone. Okay, now you can obviously see why the cyclone is so dirty. Time to rinse it off. Now time to do it in the soapy water. You guys, that water is so dirty. It is like nasty. Okay. We're going to scrub it up that. Ooh, ew. Guys, we're literally like missing a tool to this. This actually was like $64, so I am going to be as careful as I can possibly be because guys, this is like my actual like first vacuum cleaner that I own. That like I've owned and no one else is. Well, I don't actually own it. But I'm fixing it up and I'm cleaning it, which counts as doing it. Okay, this is actually like taking faster than usual. So, because what I'm doing, I'm just like throwing it out in the yard and letting it like soak out there. Wow, my freaking filter. Okay. Now, I think we're almost done. Now we just gotta clean this. I just need a baby wipe and then we're done. How long long is this video? Only 20 minutes. You can literally just I need a baby wipe. Or some baby wipes or a Clorox wipe. Time to wipe down the vacuum cleaner. And then we're done. Leg up. Level up. Yeah. Level up. 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 Oh my gosh, so yummy. Guys, there must have been like a lot of hair. Ew. Guys, this was not me. That is too freaking white. This thing is dirty. Okay. Let me get that. Oh wow, the brush was actually not that bad. No way, is there like a belt in there? The wheels are good? There's no way, y'all. There's no way. I did not know that this thing had a good belt. I thought this thing was like, horrible, but it's not. Well, I think it actually does need a new belt, but... But guys, this thing is nasty. I'm still wiping it. This literally looks like a doofy, guys. It's not, I promise. I honestly don't know what is inside of this, but I forgot to do this part. So, most of this, dang it, I would have taken this out. Like, I could take this out. But this is like the actual motor, so I'm not going to take it out. Okay, we're going to see how dirty that is. Sure, this looks dirty. But we're wiping it, guys. I'm working on it. I'm working on making this a masterpiece. It's on me with beauty and a beat. You can make my life complete. Powerful. It's powerful compact I'm getting. It's by you. Music make you move. You can do by This is so nasty. So, guys, this freaking disinfecting wipes is not working, guys. Like, these things are cheap. I think I just messed up the motor, guys. I accidentally got some of the juice. Yeah, we're gonna need a towel.
Putting that together?
I'm about to. I gotta wipe it down. I'm trying to wipe it down. Guys, this is like so nasty. Oh? Oh no, like I'm going into that little tunnel. Justin Bieber. You know that I hit him with Selena. Body rock. Oh, I wanna feel your body rock. Justin Bieber. Okay, sorry, how long is this video? 25 minutes. Wow. There's no way that you can spend less than 30 minutes on cleaning a vacuum cleaner, guys. Guys, last time it took me 1 hour and 40 minutes. This time, it's literally taking me half an hour. We'll see if we can do it before it's 30 minutes. Oh, I wanna feel your body rock. Guys, we got a little bit of... I'm gonna have to tip this thing back over. Oh, yeah, I wanna feel your body rock. Water stains are still on the vacuum cleaner from last time. Okay, this is gonna be hard because I'm still wiping it down. But I think we got it now. Now we're gonna see if the filters are dry. Because I literally laid one of the filters out in the scorching heat. And it's literally the pavement is almost dry now. Dry. I bet you the filter over here is already done. I know, but they're not dry yet, so...
Okay, we'll leave it out and you put it back together Saturday.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see how dirty this water is. After that, 3, 2. Whoa, that's nasty, guys. I wanna feel your body rock. So guys, I was actually supposed to vacuum this 2 times today until I decided we cleaned it. Most of the stuff is going to be left out here. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show y'all 30 minutes. Look at this. I'm almost done. I've got to let it dry. It takes around 30 minutes for me to officially do this. And I got to wait 24 hours to 42 hours. Guys, this only took me 30 minutes to completely wash it, but not to dry. Not including the drying, but look at this. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if y'all want more vacuum saved. In my last video, it was actually not me like harming the vacuum cleaner. It was a joke.